Scoopy boy. Yeah. All of this greenery, and we're not technically supposed to be in it because of the ban on the woods. So we're just going to walk down the power lines here. Power lines. And we're going to cut into a woods road if we hadn't missed it yet, because it has grown up so much here. You can tell, like, just for the past week or so of people not four-wheeling here, that it just grows up so fast. So, I actually think I walked on by the road, but that's okay. We can get down a ways here. We can get down a ways. You can see a long ways down through here. I don't want to go too far because technically you can get a fine. Hey, Coop. Coop. Let's go up this way, okay? Now, let's see him coming from behind. There he goes. Yeah. That didn't take long. He didn't give me any time at all. Let me zoom out there a little bit.